Hey, hello and welcome back to another video on my channel. So this is Manu and I'm back with another video. This is going to be somewhat of a paint with me video, but I'm also going to talk about things like how I think that painting is a lot like life. So people who know me know that I have been painting for I think 20 years now, and I am around 24-25 years old. So yes, I've been drawing and painting and been creative since the very beginning of my life. The reason is that everybody around me, like my mom, my masi, my sister, in fact my mamu and my nani, everybody was an artist, so that somewhere or the other reflected in my lifestyle as well, and somewhere or the other that is the reason why I started drawing and painting and indulging in all of this at a very young age. And apart from starting early, there's another thing, that this is something that I have been doing for the longest time, and I relate with it very well when it comes to life, when it comes to problems in life, when it comes to different things like making decisions, having a point of view, making choices. All of this resonates very well with life. I get very overwhelmed with all the uncertainty that goes on around me, and uncertainty is a part of life, and I know that, but somewhere or the other that is something that has a very bad impact on me. But somewhere or the other, now that I've been relating it with painting, like initially when I started painting, there was a lot of uncertainty. There were times when I would start a painting and not know where is it going, how do I make changes in it to make the bad parts look a little more even or something like that. But initially that was what my uncertainty was, and I did fight my way through it and somewhere made peace with it. Now this is the time when I need to start learning how to make peace with the uncertainties that I face in life. Now that I've been painting for so many years, I've realized that whatever goes on in the painting is completely under my control. So every brush stroke, every light area, every shadow area, whatever is there, every detailing, everything is in my hands. I am in full control of it. So I am the one who is the decision maker when it comes to my painting, and that is something that I also need to understand with life, that I have full control over my life. And I know this sounds so weird. This might be sounding very weird to some people, but with me, I have somewhere or the other always looked at other people's opinion as to, okay, what is this person going to say, and then I've made my life decisions. But it's high time. I feel like I need to start taking control of my life, just like I take control of my paintings. I make my own decisions. I might land up making a wrong move, making a mistake in the painting, making a wrong brush stroke, choosing the wrong color, but then that is my decision, and I know how to work my way around it and how to improve with it. And if I do not make mistakes, how exactly am I going to improve with it? So yes, this is it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked it. Do let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about whether life is related to painting or is related to something else that maybe you do, that you can relate life with. I would love to know more about it. Bye, have a nice day.